when this is juxtaposed now, this is where it's like when juxtaposition and incongruity merges into symbiosis, and this is where you get surrealism. Because surrealism might cause two incongruity to create something that's absurd, or something that we consider absurdity. So, or surrealism. This is what surrealism is. You know, Salvador Dali exemplified this. He juxtaposed the subconscious and the dream state, right? And so you have this. So you merge this incongruity, you juxtapose them, and then out when it coheses and creates what we call something that's surrealistic, right? But then that surrealism might be absurdity,